Today I'm cooking my favorite dish, Sambal Petai Ikan Bilis and Tempe, or sting bean with anchovy and tempeh. Petai dishes are very unique in taste and smell, and one can either love it or dislike it. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 100 grams of ikan bilis or anchovies with head and stomach removed. Today, I'm using medium-sized ikan bilis. 150 grams of tempeh, cut into about an inch length, rectangle size, and wash. 100 grams of petai or sting bean, split into half. 200 ml of water. 3 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour or any tempura flour, 3 tablespoons of chili paste. I will share the link to the chili paste recipe in the show more link. 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, concentrated. I will share the tamarind juice recipe in the show more link. 1 inch nub of galangal, cut into small pieces. 1 stalk of lemongrass, cut into small pieces for easy blending. Half tablespoon of belacan or shrimp paste. 100 grams of shallots. Half inch nub of turmeric. 4 cloves of garlic. 8 pieces of green bird eye chili, cut into half. 2 pieces of green chili, cut into small pieces. And oil for deep frying. Start with blending the sambal. Put all of the shallots, garlic, and turmeric in the blender. Lemongrass, galangal, belacan, and all of the chili paste. Add in 75 ml of water. I will use water to wash down the chili that is stuck in the bowl. Blend the mixture until very fine, like this. Keep it aside. Next, wash the ikan bilis in the basin. Add in a lot of water. This would be easier at the sink. Alright, I am throwing away the water first. This ikan bilis is quite salty. I need to wash it 3 times to reduce its saltiness. Alright, it is my 3rd time washing. This time, we are going to strain the ikan bilis to remove all the water. Shake off the excess water from ikan bilis as we want it to be as dry as possible. Next, prepare the hot oil in the pan for frying the ikan bilis, so it will be ready by the time we finish preparing the ikan bilis. Put the ikan bilis in the tray, spread it out all over the tray, sprinkle half of the gogi tempura flour on the ikan bilis. Lightly coat it for extra crispiness that can last a longer time. Let's fry it. Now the oil is nice and hot. Sprinkle the ikan bilis all over the pan. The amount of oil used should be enough to submerge the ikan bilis when frying. Stir and fry the ikan bilis for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's crispy. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. Next, fry the tempeh. Coat it with the balance of tempura flour. Fry it with the same oil that we fried the ikan bilis. Drop all the tempeh in the hot oil and continue to fry for 4 minutes or until golden brown. Alright, the tempeh is ready. Remove it from the hot oil and leave it aside. Next, cook the sambal. Use the same pan that we fried ikan bilis and tempeh. Leave about 5 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. When the oil is still hot, add in all of the sambal that we have blended just now. Please be careful of hot oil splashes when the sambal goes into the pan. Alternatively, you can allow the oil to cool down slightly so that it will not splash when adding in the sambal. Continuously stir until the sambal is cooked. It will take around 6 minutes. Add in tamarind juice and continue to stir. After 6 minutes, the sambal is getting dry. It smells so great. Add in all sugar, fish sauce, and 50 ml of water. Stir until well combined. Add in the petais and give it a stir. Add in all of the green chili and the green bird eye chili. Continue to stir for about 20 seconds. If the sambal is too dry, add in about 25 ml of water and continue stirring. Cover the pot and allow to simmer for 4 minutes or until petai is well cooked. If petai is preferred to be softer, the cooking time will be slightly longer, between 5 to 7 minutes. From time to time, the sambal needs to be stirred as it can get stuck and burn at the bottom of the pan. After 4 minutes, wow, the smell is so good. Petai is cooked, but the sambal is slightly dry. Add in about 25 ml of water. Stir until well incorporated. Now add in the tempeh and the ikan bilis. Mix until all tempeh and ikan bilis are well coated with sambal. For this recipe, I like it to be slightly dry, so I will not be adding any more water. If you like it to have a little more gravy, a little bit more water can be added in. Alright, this is done. Switch off the heat. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious and perfect. That is all. The simple sambal petai is ready to be served. This is best eaten with rice. Today, I have white rice and fried tempeh to be eaten with the sambal petai. Let's eat! Oh wow! Very delicious. The ikan bilis is crispy and chewy. The petai is crunchy, creamy and fragrant, while tempeh is tasty and creamy. All of this blend well with the tangy, tasty and sour sweet sambal. Lovely! This sambal can be cooked a day in advance. It can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for a couple of days. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!